we were struggling with some issues at one of our stores. We just couldn't figure out why we were experiencing such high losses at one particular store. And so I went to Doug and to Dustin and we said, guys, can you help us? And they said, we've got you, and I'm gonna bring in our BDA team. So they came in for a couple days and really just deep dove into our organization, the entire sales operation, the service operation, front to back, and just did a debrief and said, here's the current lay of the land, guys. And a lot of it was surprising, but they really take that objective approach. And once we could see the current state of affairs, I think it became clear where we needed to move. And then they were right there ready to step up and help us along the way. So going above and beyond, that was outside of the scope of developing our people and helping with the service contracts. That was just an organizational approach that they were very willing to jump in and do